how to back up your chat on WhatsApp Business. If you are considering to back up your messages on your WhatsApp Business, I've got you covered. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your WhatsApp app, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on chat. This will land you on an interface like this. Continue to scroll down until you locate chat backup. With this selected, you have the option to select which of the email that you want this to back up to and how often it should be backed, whether monthly, weekly or daily. And you can also decide whether you want to include videos. After that, you can then decide whether you want the backup to be using your cellular or Wi-Fi. You then proceed to tap on backup. That's it. You have successfully backed up your WhatsApp Business chat. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.